everyone? If you can hear me, can you type in the morning? Let's see who we have here today. We have Wayne, Alan, Lawrence, Josh, Gabriel, Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. Benson. Who else? Phyllis. Who else? Brian, Darren, Dennis, and Wendy. Okay, how many of you are excited to start? Type me if you're excited to start. Fantastic. Okay, today's event is open to the public. Okay, so 2 weeks we are having our own event. Okay, but today we are opening this up to public. Okay, for the public, if please like and share the post. If you can see the post, please like and share the post. Okay, so let's get started. Today again we're gonna go through. This is our regular weekly webinar. Every week we do a webinar with our SMT graduates. Okay, for those for public, okay, just let you all know that we do this every single week. Okay, in general, we will have maybe close to 300 right now. We have how many? 400 people right now. We're now at 400 people here. Every week we still have people that are coming in for our SMT graduates. Okay, so first thing first. Yes, happy Easter, Simon. Yeah, happy Easter and happy Good Friday. Okay, Good Friday. Don't know whether it's happy or not, but Easter is definitely happy. Okay, so yeah, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, for entertainment purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go 3 parts. First part we're gonna talk about is the markets. Okay, where's the market going right now? You know, my view. Okay, then after that we're gonna talk about individual stocks and our portfolio, and lastly we're going to talk about your stocks. Okay. Hey, hi Wayne. Good to see you here also. Okay. So why is Archer outside? Okay, some of you are outside. Okay, some of you all should be inside the Zoom room anyway. Okay, so yes, let's look at the S&P 500 first. Okay, I don't think there's much change in the context. It's still the same. Okay, but it's a revision for SMT non-SMT graduates. Okay, so trend. What do you think is the trend of S&P 500? What is the trend of S&P 500? This week is up, yes or no? Last week, what did we say? Up or down? Last week also up, yes or no? Oh, so up, remain up. Okay, don't need to worry about down, right? Okay, so it's breaking up, continue to go up. This is weekly charts. Okay, in between, okay, there was a whipsaw over here, which is not uncommon because prior to that, we have 2 other whipsaw. Yes or no? Okay, so this is just a whipsaw. But the long-term trend, okay, the weekly charts, the long-term trend, it is still uptrend. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, so if you're long term, you should remain bullish. If you're short term, then you can trade. Okay, but right now, if you're shorter term, you should still also be long already. Okay, so we go in. Let's say we go in here, we exit here. We go in here, we exit here. Recently, we went in again. So we have a buy signal here. Okay, there's a buy signal arrow with teeth here, and then still continue to go up further. Okay, this is nothing new, okay, because SMT graduate already know this last week, okay, or even the previous week, they already know that the trend is up. Okay, so next, okay, so the S&P 500, purpose of S&P 500 is to use for hedge, okay, whether we want to be hedging our position or not hedging. Okay, for the time being right now, our hedge, we have a 30%. 30% is like the max. We do put 30% as hedge. Okay, you can use cash, okay, or you can use a short position. Okay, either you use cash or you can hold 30% cash, or you can do short position also can. Okay, so if not, then let's go to any question. S&P 500, type good if you have no question. Public, you have any question, also can type in the question. Okay, right now we have like 300 plus in the S&P group, public group also. Hey, public, can you please also like and share the post? Give me a like and share this post also. Okay, so how do we decide to hedge? Based on the market lah. If the market is bullish, then hedge less. If the market is bearish, then hedge more. Okay, so next we go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is the Nasdaq is weaker or stronger? Like weaker or stronger than S&P? You all should know, right? Okay, weaker, yes or no? It's weaker than S&P index. Recently, yes or no? Recently, it's weaker than STN. If you talk about long term, if you talk about longer term, it's actually stronger. But recently, in the last maybe since February, March onwards, is relatively weaker than S&P 500. Okay, prior to that, it was overperforming the S&P 500 since the low. Okay, Nasdaq has went up almost 100%, 98%, 98% for Nasdaq since the low. Okay, S&P 500 has went up slightly lesser. Okay, from the low, S&P 500 has went up about 81%. Okay, so prior to that, prior to the recent high here, slightly underperforming the Nasdaq, but right now at this moment, S&P is overperforming. We can see that the S&P 500 broken new high. Okay, has broken new high. Okay, whereas the Nasdaq has not broken new high yet. Okay, so we have the context of S&P 5 Nasdaq going up almost 100%, 98%. But since the period here, okay, since period in February, okay, it is comparatively weaker than S&P 500. Okay, so can you all see there's a rotation? Okay, Nasdaq is more tech heavy, right? Okay, there's a rotation into the more recovery stocks. Type yes if you understand. Fantastic. Okay, so next, any question? No question, we move on. Okay, next one is, let's talk about STI. STI, who's still holding STI? Type STI if you're still holding STI. Okay, long term, right? Okay, STI is one of our long-term positions since April last year. Okay, April last year was here. Okay, yeah, I think we went in not in March, maybe in April time. Okay, in April time we go in. Okay, somewhere mid of April or early April. We went in from April last year onwards, not at the real bottom. Okay, but even let's say example at mid-April, right? We are up about 26%, which is not bad for index. Yes or no? Okay, so right now we have more or less hit the not undervalued, not overvalued, fair value price for STI. Type yes if you understand. How do we know that? Is prior to this we have the crisis. Okay, there was a few crises along the way. Okay, we have this is the what crisis? Asia financial crisis. This is called the SARS. This is called the global financial crisis, and this is called the COVID crisis. Okay, during that period last year, right, in April is undervalued. It's like at the lower part of the channel. How many of you all were here in April, May when we talk about this lower part of the channel? Type me if you were here last year in April. Okay, so some of you are here, right? So so you've been riding up, and then right now fair value. Okay, so stock market is recovering, economy is recovering. Yes or no? Okay, recovery doesn't go in a straight line also. So you understand that recovery doesn't go in straight line. Like example, we have the COVID, right? It doesn't like suddenly we have vaccine and everybody is recovered. Okay, they will still have like cycles, things like that. Okay, but I want to share with you. Yesterday I spoke with my Indonesian friend. He's in Singapore right now. Wow, over there, right, it's really devastating. Okay, sometimes we are like not so exposed, right? Okay, that means devastating meaning to say he have friends, not one friend but a few friends that got COVID and died. Okay, so and they are not poor, they are like middle upper class, but still they have people that got COVID and passed on, okay, during last year, okay? So it is quite scary, yes or no, okay? But Singapore, maybe we are like more insulated, lah. But I think in the world, right, some of them are really going through a very difficult time, okay? So we have to thank our government for this, lah, okay? Type, yes, if you're happy in Singapore, at least we are happy. No much cases, right? Their side is really very how to say, it's very fearful. There's a lot of fear, really, because if you see our friends die, you are fearful, yes or no? So and they are means not people that they know pass on. Okay, so yeah lah, be thankful every day, even every day remain thankful, then every day we are happy, yes or no? Oh, if you are thankful every day, okay, we don't complain about petrol price, okay, I rather pay higher petrol price than to have friends that died around us, yes or no? I don't know, that's me, okay. So to have context, to have contentment is great gain, yes or no? Okay, to have contentment, because sometimes we say, never not enough. Singapore standard of living so high and things like that. It's hard to survive in Singapore. Then go Indonesia, it's even more scary. Okay, so don't okay. So always I always tell myself, some of y'all know, right? We go to walk. I go for walk, right? Yeah, so when I go for walk, I always not always quite often I will thank thank God I'm in Singapore. Okay, I'm in this country lah. Okay, at least yeah. So that is something that not just in Singapore, but even you're alive is a good thing lah. Yes or no? But yes, if you agree that being alive is a good thing, okay, it's a good thing, right? And so long as you're not dead, I think it's good, okay. Okay, so let's move on, okay. So there's a word they say what's that word? Contentment is great gain, okay. If you have a contentment, it is great gain for yourself, okay. So think about it, okay? While we think about make money, let's think about, hey, we still have families around us, and we still have our health and things like that. Okay, I think that's very important. Okay, that is the message for the day. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's talk about Hang Seng Index right now. Okay, Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index is actually faster. Okay, the recovery is actually faster than STI. Surprise, right? How many of y'all were here when we talk about Hong Kong market? No, that you remember that there were a few crises in Hong Kong. We have the riots. I think there were at least three. Okay, there were the riots. We have COVID, and we have one more thing I forgot lah. But there were three things that were like, oh yeah, and then we had a trade war also. So trade war, riots, and COVID. Okay, triple whammy, right, for Hong Kong. A lot of people said that Hong Kong is finished. How many of y'all were here, when they talk about Hong Kong, like no more, there will be no more Hong Kong. Okay, I don't agree, okay, during the period. Okay, so right now, you see the market is more or less recovered. Yes or no? Okay, Hong Kong people are also very resilient. They go through a lot of tough time, but they are resilient. Okay, so index long term still up. Okay, any question? Riots, COVID, yeah, trade war, yes, challenging, right? Okay, fair value, right? I would say is around the middle line. Okay, so somewhere in the middle, okay. Oh, got it. Okay, question for those people who were here when I talk about this. why is it that the market go up in general? Okay, like 97 is how many years already? Okay, 24 years. Okay, why is it that the index in general go up? Very good. Alfred still pay attention, right? Inflation, yes or no? Or inflation, the printing of money and things like that. Okay, by the way, guys, inflation is happening. Type yes if you realize that. Okay, and it's getting more. Okay, everything is getting more expensive. Okay, we have the commodity prices, we have like I read timber prices hitting high, we have commodity cryptocurrency, everything is inflated. Do you follow what I'm saying? It is inflation. What it means is your buying power is actually lesser right now. Type yes if you understand. Okay, your buying power is lesser, so it is not wise. Okay, if you not it's not wise, then you say, oh, the market is too high, let's keep everything 100% in cash. When you do that, what happened? You confirm lose money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it's 100% loss. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because bank pay you like 1% or what, right? And you are inflation on headlines is 3% now, but I believe it's much higher. Okay, for general population should be higher than just 3%. Okay, so if you're not investing, you're not using your money to make money, then you are getting poorer. Okay, so then the next question, Collin, what if I invest and I lose money? Okay, so you can think about it this way: you can invest and in safe instrument, okay, safer instrument, like example the index, example even bonds, can give you higher interest than the bank. Do you follow what I'm saying? So do not be lazy lah. Okay, some people like to be, some people uh their fear become the laziness. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, they say, oh, it's too risky, so I do nothing. That is being lazy lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, then find out how to do it. Type yes if you understand. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, then find out how you can invest, how you can use money to make money. Okay, if not, you will leave the money in the bank, then you is losing you're losing buying power. Okay, so we have 500 people in the public group. Okay, it's a good time to do this. Okay, so for those people who want the public who want to join us as part of this SMT community, hey, today let's do something different. Let's do when did you join? Cannot. Let's do when did you join SMT and what's the reason you sign up for SMT class? When do you roughly? Okay, when do you join SMT and why do you sign up for SMT class? Okay. Must what batch 118, well, then good batch. Okay, so when June last year and why is the reason you join SMT? Okay, 2012, great system to follow. Join last week. Wow, Ashwin last week. Bernard joined March. Okay, and what's the reason you join SMT? Okay, batch 111. Heard a lot of good about Collin. Wow, that one heavy information, heavy person. Okay, learn to trade without emotion, very informative. Joy in joggers, great community support. It's interactive. Collin is very open. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, Roslyn. Okay, so for those that want to join this community, right now we have like 652 of three of you all right now. You can go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys. Thanks for your endorsement. Thanks for your posting. Okay, so let's go back to index. Any other question on index? Any other index do you want me to cover? Okay. Dow Jones Index. Okay, Dow Jones Index. Guys, if you do not know, the Trader's GPS is a good guide. Okay, Trader GPS is a good guide. So when you approach, let's say Dow Jones, then you ask yourself, I want to invest in Dow Jones. Is it for more than 1 year or less than 1 year? Okay. So you need to ask yourself, okay, if it's more than 1 year, then you can use the candle change color as the entry. Type yes if you all know that. Okay, candle change color as the entry from here, candle change to red to blue, they enter, and then right on is 24.7% gain. Okay, if your holding period is, let's say, shorter, say within a year, I want to trade, I want to get in, I want to get out maybe a few times in the year, then you can go position daily. Okay, position daily, then you can trade, you can go in and out throughout the 1 year. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, so it really depends on what you want. Okay, it really depends on what you want, and I'll share with you everyone. You don't need to follow my method. You don't need to follow other people's method. The most important is to have something. Is the most important is to have a method. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Like for me, okay, it depending on my time frame and my time commitment, and also my temperament, I may evolve. Do you follow what I'm saying? Actually, I evolve over the years. Okay. When I first started, it's like intraday, very short-term trading. You know, this like even before I was a remiser. That was how many years ago? Many years ago, more than 10 years ago. I think like maybe 13, 14, 15 years ago. Okay. I was a full-time trader trading in and out of the market. Okay. Then later part, I changed into systematic trading. Okay. Which is more like doing this. Okay. Systematic trading. Okay. Like this. Okay. But right now at this moment, I really I cannot just go and look at the market. So I have a team of people that trade systematically. Okay. While I do the bigger chunk. Okay, I do the bigger chunk. I do more asset allocation. Okay, I do more asset allocation, and I will allocate according to my risk. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, so any other things about the index you want to question? How to work for you? It's a separate company. They need to go through interview and stuff. Okay, so right now we are not hiring. Okay, we are not hiring right now. Okay. Any other question? A50. No. Traders are all guys. Okay, traders all guys. We have like how many? I also forgot. Okay, because I'm not the one running the team, right? Okay, but traders are all guys. Okay. The trading part is all, not say all girls. Mark is guy, right? Okay. A50. This A50 for weekly charts. Weekly chart is bullish. However, for this one quite interesting. Can you all see that A50 over here broken support line? Yes or no? You can see this line, this line, this line, this line, broke support. Can you see? Type yes if you can see. Okay, broken support line. Okay, so longer term, do watch out lah. Okay, I do not know why the pullback is so fast. Okay, or so fast. Okay, so and then on the daily charts, okay, on the daily charts, you can see over here up, and then candlestick turn rate exit, and then since candlestick turn rate exit, right now we are down not a lot, 6%, 7%. Okay, so China, I don't know what's happening. Okay, but China is relatively weaker right now. Okay. When you do short-term trade, do you need to do fundamental analysis 1 to 3 months? You can do a very short one. Okay, you can do a very short fundamental if you want. Okay, not a must. Okay, not a must, but you can do some fundamental if you want. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Next, 700. 700 is stock, stock we don't cover. Okay. Next, A50, is it good for weekly swing? Let me see. Weekly swing. I think there are better things. Okay, there are better swing trades. Okay, this one, the move down is quite impulsive. Yes or no? Okay, it's quite long candle down. Okay, you want short candle down. Okay, this one quite long candle down. I think there are other things that are more interesting than A50. Okay, next one is KL index. How many are from Malaysia? Type me if you're from Malaysia. Well, so many. Okay, so let's do a few stocks also. Okay, from Malaysia one. Okay, index first. Index first. Okay, so we have weekly charts, still bullish. Okay, you can see, right? It's different, right? It's still above support. Okay, on the weekly charts for KL index, for daily charts, daily charts more sideways. So sideways. Okay, so recently there was a sell signal, but the longer term charts is still okay, still bullish. I would say the market is sideways. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Market is more sideways. Okay, so let's do a bonus for KL, people from KL. Okay, I will do a scan. Okay, let's do a KL scan right now. Okay. KLSE. That's what you're, and then rank by month. Okay, see what are the strong stocks right now. Okay, so we have KAB, we have SCGM. These are the stocks. Okay. Okay, daily charts. Wow, that's so fast. Okay, this one a bit like start to run already. Yes or no? Okay, if you want to get in, you should get in around here. Okay, right now this one a bit too much already. Okay, so from here up, wow, 59%. So try to get first arrow. Type yes if you understand. Don't get when it's like how many arrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 arrow too late. So let's look at this SCGM. Okay, SCGM. Look, it's second arrow. It's second arrow. However, the mode is bearish. Can you see? The mode here is bearish. What's it telling you? Is the long-term trend may be still down. Okay, the long-term trend is still down. Okay, so this thing is still red color, is still bearish. So I will avoid. And let's look at UWC. Okay, UWC. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, so we have downtrend. This is take profit, and then right now this is the arrow number 1. Okay, let's look at this 6 months. Is it uptrend or downtrend? 6 months is uptrend or downtrend? Uptrend, yes or no? Okay, so this arrow number 1, yes or no? Arrow number 1 with teeth. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, guys, I do bonus for Malaysian. Okay, sometimes we forget our Malaysian friend. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, so this screener helped me to identify some of them, a lot of arrows already. 7, 2, 10, 29, 8. This one is first arrow. So I very quickly save a lot of time to see if I want to buy today, what are the stocks I want to buy if I'm in Malaysia. Not necessary if you are not trading Malaysia. Okay, type yes if you understand. Do you think it will save you a lot of time? Okay, rather than look at all the stock market, right? You look at, hey, now this stock, I think I can look at it to buy. Maybe potentially this stock is something that I want to buy. Yes or no? 7155, potentially something I want to look at to buy. Okay, for those that are trading Malaysia, because we seldom do Malaysia stocks. Okay. And by the way, type in your country where you're from. I think majority in Singapore. Is there any, what country are you from? Okay, Malaysia, China. Okay, we have China, we have Singapore, we have UK. Sean McKendrick is from UK. Robert is from Philippines. Who is from Goldman Sachs? GS, right? Or SG, maybe. Okay. SG, Peter from Hong Kong. Okay, we have Mona from Thailand. Okay, wow, we are international. Thomas from Hougang. Okay. Okay, let's index. I think we are more or less done, right? Okay. Any other question? If not, let me move on. Let's look at the individual stocks. Okay, let's look at what's NKK. NKK is what? From Japan, huh? Oh, Nikkei. Okay. I thought from Japan. Okay. Nikkei is up, yes or no? Hello? Nikkei is up, right? Type yes if you understand. And then we have daily charts. Also up. Okay. Okay, also up. Okay, next one. Let's look at individual stock. TRMB. Okay, TRMB. Arrow number 1 with teeth. Okay, arrow number 1 with teeth. And okay, so this is like the consolidation area. Okay, so during the consolidation area, right, sometimes it's noisy. Oh, you see this part is noisy, this part is noisy. So this is not like a perfect stock. Some stock is very, very nice. Okay, but this part here is noisy, here is noisy. But it's breaking new high. Okay, so you can see from here, this stock is breaking new high. The last time when it consolidate and break new high is around here. So you see, after it consolidate, which is after a noisy period, okay, after a noisy period, when it broke new high, it went much higher. Okay, so right now it's consolidating thing again, and then breaking new high again. Type yes if you understand. Okay, whatever I share with you is for education. It's not advice to buy and sell. Okay, I may be wrong. Please understand that. Type yes if you understand. Okay, it's for entertainment. Okay, it's not advice. Okay. Okay, so next is Nxpi. Nxpi. Okay, this is a semiconductor stock. Okay, this one there's no sell signal. Okay, no sell signal. So actually by right, this one no reset. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, this one no reset. Okay, nice uptrend. Okay, nice uptrend. Okay, so why didn't I select QRVO for position daily? First arrow active. This one is that right? QRVO. QRVO number 20 here. First arrow active. Not bad also. Okay. But this stock, right, a little bit more overlapping. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. That yes, if you understand. This stock overlapping. Okay. That means the price is quite noisy. Okay. Sell signal is when the break candle and break candle must break below the low. So Nxpi, okay, Nxpi, once you see the red candle, break below the low. Okay, so didn't break below the low. Yes or no? Okay, but I think this one's still heading higher. Type yes if you understand my point. Okay, my point is it's already set, but I still not going because I think it's going higher. Okay, ASML we already bought already, right? Type yes if you understand. ASML, this number 7, right? We already bought already. By the way, how many have ASML? Type in ASML. Okay, type in ASML if you already have ASML. Okay, so quite a lot of you have, right? So that got second arrow. If you want to add position, also can. Okay, we got in at this price. Yes or no? Okay, on the 31st of March. Okay, 31st of March. Type yes if you agree. Okay, 31st of March. If you want to do second arrow, also can. Okay. But because we got already, okay, 27th of March. 27th of March. If you want to do second arrow, also can. Okay. But because we got already, okay, 27th of March. But because we got already, okay, 27th of March. Okay. But because we got already, okay, 27th of March. 27th of March. If you want to do second arrow, also can. Okay. But because we got already, okay, 27th of March. Okay. Can I? Okay, next one is DKS. Okay, DKS. Still holding. Okay, DKS still holding 22nd of March. We got in here. Our entry price is 2nd of March. Our entry price is here. Type yes if you understand. Oh, hey, we enter on which day? Can you type in what day do we enter? What day did we enter? We enter on 22nd, eh? No, 22nd is the date, right? Or we enter already. Let me see. No, 22nd is our scan result. Okay, is our scan result. So we enter on the we enter on the 22nd of March. We did the scan, yes or no? Okay, 22nd we did the scan, but the entry date is not 22nd lah. Hello. The entry date is what date? Type in the date that you're supposed to enter based on the arrow. 25th, yes or no? Oh, because it break new high. Yes, here, right? Type yes if you agree. Okay, you should not be entered on the 22nd. Do you follow what I'm saying? 22nd is our scan, correct? Okay, so we are supposed to enter on 25th. Okay, so next, Lenny, right? This daily charts is live delayed. Okay, live delayed. Okay, that means if tonight market open 9:30, there will be one candle that appear here, but it's delayed. Alright, but it's delayed. Then the weekly one, right, is also delayed lah. Okay, also delayed. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, also delayed. Okay, so but daily charts, right, is end of the day. Okay, daily chart, that means if tonight market open, this candle here will have nothing. Okay, we have no candle here. Whereas the daily plus, then you have one more candle here, but it's delayed 15 minutes. Okay, type yes if you understand. 15 minutes delay. Okay, I don't know whether it's useful or not. Okay, but type good if you're all good. A bit lagging, but because right now we have like how many people here right now? We have like 664. Wow, public we also got 500 plus. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Okay, so yeah, for public, come and join us in our SMT community. Go to CollinSeow.com/SWB, okay, to be part of our SMT community. Okay, so let me move on. So DKS, who is holding DKS? Type in DKS. Next one is CME. How many holding CME? Type in CME. CME, 7th of March. When we write in this date, guys, it's the scan result date. Okay, it's the scan result date. Okay, the day we scan. Okay, like example here. So 7th of March will be the big day before, okay, because end of day trading. Okay, so this one we got in here. Okay, this one we got in here on the 8th of March. Okay, this one nothing, still holding, nothing much you need to do. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, last one is Applied Materials, AMAT. Who is still holding Applied Materials? AMAT, type in AMAT if you're still holding. Very hot, right? Okay. Okay. This one we got in since 19 November. 19 November, which is here. Until here, wow, we got 83%. Okay. 83%. Okay, guys, you all need to understand that don't plant a tree and expect it to grow 83% in one day. That, yes, if you understand, it must be over time. Okay, so similarly for this one, is over time. Okay, so everything is over time. Okay. Next one, TEM. TEM is our new stocks, okay, for swing trade today. Okay, this is our swing trade setup. Swing trade weekly setup. Okay, swing trade weekly setup. So down candle, can you all see? Down candle, counter candle, and then up candle. Okay. So how to choose is you go to swing weekly charts. What do you do next? After you do swing weekly, what do you do next? Rank by what? Rank by arrow. Oh, it's all taught in the class, right? Okay. Taught in the class already. Rank by arrow, and then go and see those stocks over here. Okay, these are the stocks that are more trending. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so these are the stocks that are trending. Okay, so these are all the stocks you can trade. Okay, so Tesla is here, team is here. Oh, Tesla is another one. Okay, by the way, let's go back to team first. Team, right? Okay, team, we have this stock coming down. Okay, this is a leg. Okay, this is a leg up, down, and hopefully this week up or following next month up. Type yes if you understand. Type yes if you understand. Oh, so if we up, we can write a few more weeks. Okay, all these are good. Okay, Ballard Power, all these are good. Oh, all these are good. Okay, all these JD, all these are good. Okay. Can you understand the trend? Okay, like a leg like that. This is a leg down. This is a leg up. This is a leg down. This is a leg. Hopefully go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so here all these are the leg lah. Oh. Okay, so I chose this because I like the bullish candle. Okay, the bullish candle over here. Okay, but all these are good. Okay, all these are good. Okay, so take profit progressively, meaning to say, let's do it here again. Take profit progressively means once you enter already got profit, you take. Oh, you can sell 1-to-1, okay, or 2-to-1. Okay, 1-to-1 or 2-to-1. Okay, Tesla, also the same thing. Tesla, we have down wave. And then hopefully the next few months, not next few months, next few weeks, we have up wave back to this high. Okay, back to this high again. Okay, next is previously, oh, this one I never put the date. TMUS. Who is already in TMUS? TMUS. Type in TMUS if you are already in. Okay, we got in March. I think was this swing here. Oh, I think was this swing here. So nothing much. You need to hold on. Okay. Swing trade is how long? Swing trade is how long? How long is swing trade for? Minimum is 5 weeks. Okay, 5 weeks to how long? 5 weeks to how long? 6 months. Okay, 5 weeks to 6 months. It can be as long as 1 week, 1 month. Okay, as long as 6 months. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so you can be as short as like here. Okay, do this swing up, then you exit, or it can be like here, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 2.5 months, then exit. Okay, so it can be 1 month to 6 months. Okay. By the way, all these are pretty good. Okay. Some of them even triggered, like Alphabet. All these are triggered already. So you can see, come down, CCI low, swing up already. So this one haven't triggered, right? Team. This one triggered already. Okay. Whereas the team here haven't triggered. Oh, sorry, triggered already. Okay, triggered already. Still can enter lah. Okay, still can enter. So how you enter right now is back to the same price. Okay, around 226.2 226. Okay, 226 of my entry. Stop loss. Stop loss. Do you all know how to put stop loss? 1 dynamic SL or 1 dynamic SL. Type yes if you understand. Okay, this one. Okay, 1 dynamic stop loss will be your stop loss. Okay. Long-term stocks. Anyone you want me to go through? Please don't go through the same one because last week we touched on some of them already. Okay. Don't go through the same one. Okay. We'll do 700 and FEYE. Okay. These two. These two. Okay. 700. 10 cents. 10 cents is a swing setup. Yes or no? Oh. Okay. That yes if you understand. Hello. Correct. Swing setup, right? Type yes if you agree. Okay, guys, if you all don't understand the course, go and attend refresher. Okay, I cannot teach you in this class. Okay, type yes if you understand. I cannot teach like teach one person. The rest of the 656 of you all wait for your one person. Cannot do that. Okay. Last one is FEYE. Okay, FireEye. These are long term. Okay, type yes if you understand. Long term. Long term is how long? Let me just recap what is long term. Long term, 1 or 2 years buy. Okay, 1 or 2 years. Buy more when drop. Okay, and dollar cost averaging if you want, or you can split into 3 bets. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. By the way, just share with you, all right? For position daily, okay? For position daily, what I'm looking for is I want at least a 6 months uptrend. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. I want a stock that is already more or less uptrend with arrow. Type yes if you all got this part, position daily. All right, that means it must be down and at least in the uptrend already. Type yes if you agree. Uptrend, okay? For long term, no, I'm not looking for 6 month uptrend. I'm looking for what? I'm looking for downtrend, a break of trend line, and a retest. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means it's no longer a downtrend, a break of trend line, and then a retest. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's the early part of the uptrend. And this part here may not have 6 months. Type yes if you understand the distinction. Example is like this one. Example is like, where's my thing? Example is like my H78. Remember H78? Type yes if you remember H78. Oh, so H78 is downtrend, yes or no? Oh, it's downtrend prior to this. Type yes if you understand. Oh, then after that, turning up. You got it? Oh, so this is weekly charts, guys. Okay, weekly charts. Okay, so similarly for the FireEye, right? These are not like uptrend stock like Trader GPS ranked by month is the most bullish stocks. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This kind of stocks will be more of this is a long-term consolidation. Yes or no? Yes, if you agree, this is a long-term consolidation, and then this is a break on the consolidation, and then coming back here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Can you all see the difference between this kind of stocks and the Trader GPS stocks? example, Applied Material or ASML, all these stocks. Can you all see the difference? So this kind of stocks, right, will be slow. Do you follow what I'm saying? Will be slow. Okay? It will not like, it's not a momentum stock. You got it? It's not a momentum stock. It is more like a downtrend turning up. Got it? Okay? Downtrend turning up. Then you add position along the way. Your holding period is how long? 1 year to 2 years. So a 1 year period is from here. Okay, a 1 year period is from here, 19. Okay, 19 here, 1819 to here. Do you follow what I'm saying? This period here is about 1 year. Or this period here is about 1 year. You got what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Oh, so all these are long term. Okay, you don't want to so you have to be patient. If you don't want to be patient, then don't trade this kind of stock. Okay. Since Nasdaq is down, should we skip Nasdaq? No need. Okay, you can continue to scan Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, finish up already, right? Any other stocks? Okay, last one. These are also long-term stocks. Okay, these are all, I think we caught this since November last year. Here. Oh, November last year, guys, is here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It is not uptrend. But yes, if you understand. When it was here, it is not uptrend. You all follow what I'm saying now? Or it is more like maybe a downtrend. And then a change of downtrend. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Oh, so it is more like this. Okay, so if you go to our daily charts, November last year is like here. Got it? Oh, so right now it's still here. Okay, so you can go to weekly charts and don't daily charts. Weekly charts and then see. Okay, actually right now SPCE is a good level to get it. Okay, type yes if you understand. SECE is a good level to buy. Okay, but you must be long term. Okay. Okay, so this one, right? No need to use strategy GPS or anything. Okay, like STI that time, right? STI April that last year. This period here, all the indicator will point down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Hello? All your indicator here, right? In April, everything will be down. Yes or no? So you use what system, what indicator also won't have buy signal. Got it? Okay, this is more like fundamentals, okay, and long term. Okay. Is that recommendation of the ratio we should put in the position and swing? Don't have. Okay, it's really up to you. Okay, it's up to you. How much you put position, how much you swing, how much time you have. Okay, but don't have. There's no recommendation. Okay, last one or two, then we can have lunch already. Lunchtime coming. JD last week, is there a swing? Yes. Okay. Got it? It's a swing. Type yes if you understand. Who asked? Siva, is it? Siva? Okay. Okay. So let's go through what else? Okay, enough already. Okay, too many. Okay. Next. Your stocks. Oh, I didn't see just now. What is the link? Okay. Thank you. Peng Yi. Peng Ying. Thanks a lot. Okay. This is the stock. Tesla, we covered already. C, okay. C and DSME. Space we also covered. Wow, so we covered quite a lot. Okay, C, SEA, SEA. I think yours is SE, this one, right? Swing trade. By the way, I think some of y'all did the swing trade for this one. How many did the swing trade for this one? SE. Like me, we got the swing trade for this one. I saw in the Facebook, right? Some of y'all swing trade this one. Oh, public, if y'all want to learn how to swing trade, you can come and join us. Oh yeah, I also got free training, right? So if you want to learn how to do swing trade, then you can go to this place. There's a free 3-part training on swing trade. Okay, CollinSeow.com/ecourse-o. Okay, ecourse-o. Okay, so then you see how to do the swing trade setup. Okay, guys. Lastly, let's go through our stocks. Tesla, I covered already. Maybe next time, guys, we can also put in like Tesla, then what time frame. Can you do that? Okay, Tesla, what time frame? Because if we just Tesla, then we got so many different time frame. Either we're going to position trade, swing trade, or what trade. Oh, I guess this one is weekly swing, yes or no? Type yes if you agree. I think more or less it's weekly swing. Oh, so next one is so swing. SE is weekly swing. Tesla, I think also is weekly swing. Type yes if you agree. Hey guys, you don't need lah. You got so much resources, right? For SMT graduate, go to tradersgps.com. There are so many trading on swing trading, right? Go to premium members area, master class. I think there are so many training on swing trade. Okay, distinction of swing trading. This is a more advanced one. Okay, distinction of swing trading is one. Then I did a few times. Okay, so swing trading strategy, taking profit of a remaining position, and also you can go to refresher class. Okay, under miscellaneous, go to any of the refresher class. We'll talk about swing trading also. Okay, or you can go to the 秘籍, right? Our 秘籍 here, the SMT Bible also talk about swing trade. Okay, no need to watch that one. The one for public. Okay, but for y'all, we'll have all the master class over here. But yes, if you understand, go watch this one. Okay, this one is much better because this one goes much more into detail. Okay, because there are a lot more things. Okay, last two, TSM. Guys, did I miss out anything? TSM, all over the place. What is your time frame for TSM? Is it position daily, swing weekly, or what? Swing weekly, right? Position daily or signal? Swing weekly, yes or no? How many is in swing weekly trade? Oh, Gabriel also swing weekly, right? Okay. Can you see this, guys? Market down, CCI low, and then swing up. Yours should be in the swing already, yes or no? Oh, position daily, right? Where got signal? Hello. Stick cane, right? Where got signal? This one is a weekly swing setup, lah. Yes or no? Weekly swing setup. Position daily do not have a signal. Agree or not? Type yes if you understand. Wow, if you tell me position daily here buy, I must take cane, right? Why I got my signal? Okay. Okay, so finishing. Going forward, right? I posted this before. Look up for weekly swing from March to May. How many have seen this before? Type yes if you have seen this before. Look out for weekly swing from March to May. Oh, I posted this before. Go and scan. There are quite a lot of stocks can swing trade. Last week, this week, the previous week also got quite a few setups. Okay, guys. If not, then any other urgent one, guys, for your individual stocks. Sorry, I cannot go to your individual stocks. If not, not fair. Yes or no? If not, not fair. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Njigin, for reminding us. Don't overtrade. Type yes if you heard what I say. Don't overtrade. Okay, guys. Okay. Delta one half lah. Ethereum. Okay. Talk about Ethereum. Ethereum my position. So it's okay to talk about Ethereum because it's my position. Okay. Okay. So Ethereum still up. Okay. All-time high. Hooray. Yes or no? Oh, daily charts broke all-time high. Here, weekly charts broke all-time high. Yes or no? Oh, type yes if you can see that. Broke all-time high on the weekly charts. Daily charts also broke all-time high. Okay. Broke already. Support, resistance and support. What's your view for Ethereum? Uptrend. Target price. Don't have target price. Target price. Don't have target price. Because my target price will be. I don't have target price. Okay. Anyway, Bitcoin also the same, right? But Bitcoin, I think need to wait for a while. Okay. Yes, I want to do something on DeFi and things like that. Okay. But it's hard to teach. Okay. And not only that, it's hard to teach. Number one. Number two is I'm also a user, not I'm a practitioner, I'm a user. I'm not a trainer for DeFi. Do you follow what I'm saying now? So I'm just sharing my own experience, okay, which is I don't know whether I should do that. Okay, but I'm doing a lot of DeFi lah, okay, guys. Maybe we should do SMT quarterly meeting, then we do DeFi, okay? Okay, even Chris doesn't teach DeFi. Okay, even Chris doesn't teach DeFi and real profits, okay? Because he feel like it's high risk, or it's high risk. But I give you some context, okay, of DeFi, right? Understand, right? Bitcoin, right, has been around since how long? 2009. Yes or no? 2009 until now. That's how long? 11, 12 years. Yes or no? Or DeFi, right, only started really interesting last year only. So we are very, very, very early in DeFi. Okay. And my view is like that. Okay. What I like to do is not to go in and out. I don't like to do that. Okay. Also because of my time also. Okay. My time also, because there's a cost of there's a cost for time, right? So what I like to do is to buy and accumulate. Okay. And rather than aim for absolute percentage returns, I rather do accumulation of position and make significant profits rather than there's difference between how many percent you make on a trade versus how much you make on a trade. Can you all see the difference? One is how many percent I make. Okay, one is how much I make because of the position sizing. Okay, so it is really not about how many percent you make. Okay, it's about how much you make. That means if you're correct, can you scale into position and things like that? That's how much you make. Okay. I added very aggressively from July to December. Very aggressively I added. Okay, so come January, I actually slowed down. Okay, I added still, but I only added on dips. Okay, I only added on dips. So, but I'm still adding lah. Today, I think you all know, right? I haven't sold a single yet lah. Okay, maybe stupid lah, guys. But I haven't sold a single if yet lah. Okay, my first entry is here. 2828 something. 283 or 28 something. Okay, but my average cost is not so low lah. My average cost is much higher. Okay, guys, I think I will do the DeFi. Okay, but maybe the context is I'm not a trainer on DeFi. I just do it because I use and then it's very, very risky also. Okay, we will plan something. Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys. I appreciate all of you. My team asked me don't do webinar, don't do webinar on weekends. They say, Collin, if you do webinar on weekend, the team back end jialat. I say, Collin, you don't do like that. It's us. Okay, so I said, okay, I don't do it. Okay, you need to be more planned. Need to be more planned. Okay, if not, then thank you, guys. I really appreciate. Jean, why are you outside? Okay, should be inside here. Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys. Appreciate all of your. Oh, yeah, silver, right? Silver is a long-term play. Okay, silver SLIV, right? Who right? Silver, right, is a long-term play. Okay, it's a long-term play. Okay, long-term play use weekly charts. Okay, type yes if you understand. Oh. It's a long-term chart, okay? Not short-term, okay? If not, then thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Have a good week ahead, okay? And see you. Bye. Yes, public, please come and join us in our SMT. Comment SMT before you leave. Okay, comment SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Please do that, guys. Comment SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. SMT graduates, come and join us. I forgot about public today. Okay, SMT graduates, come and join us in our community. Go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. If not, then thank you very much and see you. Bye.